Hello, good morning, dear Sagittarius. A very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general of reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is journal. It might or might not resonate with you. At the first place, the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, and the third thing, that this is a reading from 1st of November till the 30th or till the end of November. You can say, okay. So let's start. So this is general. Okay. So let me explain you that this might or might not resonate with you. So let's start with your recent past energy, Sagittarius. Two of Pentacles, you were really confused, you were juggling between two situations, and both of them were equally important for you, and both of them were holding equal potential for you. So you were not ready to let go of the one thing to grab the one thing. So you were constantly juggling between what should I do. It could be a relationship that you were dealing with, or it could be financial situation, or it could be any business or job related problem, might be. So let me clarify the Two of Pentacles in your current in your recent past energy. Let's see. Seven of Wands and the Ten of Pentacles and the Page of Wands. You're standing your ground. You're acting defensive, cold and detached. And you want a committed connection, or committed and or a marriage relationship, or a married relationship with somebody, and you just want to communicate with them, or you just want to communicate this thing to them. So you're hiding your emotions. You're hiding your true colors or true emotions or true feelings from this particular person. I feel like you are constantly juggling because you are not able to understand what from where to start and from how to start. That's why you are really confused right now. So it could be a confusion between yes or no, or it could be a confusion between when should I do it, or when should I not do it, or this kind of energy. Okay, so you're acting really cold and often detached, and you want happiness with this person. You want to have open and honest relationship with this particular person, and you would just want to reconnect with them, or you just want to text them, or you just want to have a conversation with them from your side regarding this particular thing. This was a recent past energy. Let's see what's your current energy. Your current energy right now is Sagittarius. Seven of Pentacles. Okay, so I feel like you are just right now trying your best to wait. You are just trying to wait for the results to come. You are just trying to wait for the divine timing, for things to happen, or for things to unfold. You're just waiting right now. You are just waiting for something to happen very eagerly. You are just looking at the tree, or looking at the things that you have done, and now that you are waiting for the results, this is becoming a very impulsive energy for you. So I can see that you are getting irritated or frustrated at the spur of a moment, because you are waiting for something to happen and that something is not happening. That's why you are frustrated, completely frustrated. Let me clarify the Seven of Pentacles for you in your current energy. Two of Wands and the Seven of Cups and the Three of Wands. You are just waiting for the right time to open up to the options that you have, or in life, or that you might be having in life in the near future. And again, you are just waiting for your ships to arrive. You are feeling like you have done everything that you could. Okay, now you are just surrendering to the divine timing. Now you are just surrendering to the universe. You can say that the universe is going to take care of my connection, or the universe is going to take care of my relationship. I am just going to wait for the right time, and I am not going to now I'm getting that you are just going to wait for the right time to have a reconnection with this person, or reconciliation with person. And I feel like you are going to decide from the confusion that you were facing from a very long time. Might be you were confused between two people at the same time, might be you had lots of options, but now you have taken a decision, and now you are not making anybody your priority but this person. and you are just waiting for this person, and you are just waiting for your ships to arrive. You are turning your back because you are feeling like you are going to come back at the right time with right intentions. Okay, Sajis. Okay, so let's see what's your current energy, or you can say what's your energy for new love, or if somebody new is coming towards you, or if there's a past person coming for you. Let's see. The High Priestess in reverse. There's a blockage in your intuition. There's a clear cut blockage in your intuition. You're not able to see anything clearly in your life right now. You are going through some kind of illusion. You are seeing things that are not might be there, or you are feeling things that might not be there, or you are just feeling the worst in your life. You are just making, you are just thinking the worst in your life. You are like, I don't understand why the hell it is happening, and I don't understand why this connection is not moving forward, or something like that. But I don't see a new person in your energy right now, till now, because the blockage in intuition is here. The communication blockage is also here. There's certain kind of blockages that you guys are dealing with right now, okay, with your partner, or with the person whomsoever you were connected in the past. Let me clarify the High Priestess in reverse for you. Ace of Wands and Six of Cups and the Four of Wands. Definitely there is a blockage in intuition, and there's a blockage in some kind of communication also. Definitely you want behind this, this is kind of energy of silent also. So you are deeply silent right now, not able to decide, not making any kind of decision. But with time, I can see you taking a decision. You are going to feel highly passionate about a past person, about a past love, and you are going to highly miss them, and you are going to propose them for marriage and or long-term stability. This is Ace of Wands, this is Six of Cups, and this is Four of Wands. Definitely there is a blockage in your intuition. You are not able to decide anything, and you are like, yes, although I love this person, I have lots of emotions for this person, I don't know about the commitment or marriage part, but beneath this harder shell, or beneath this harder harder outer cover that you are wearing on your face, or harder mask that you are wearing on your face, that will come out, and you will realize that you need this past person back in your life, and you want to get married to them, and or have a long-term committed relationship with them. Okay, Sagittarius, let's see what is the potential outcome till the end of November. The potential outcome till the end of November is, let's see. Empress. So if you are in a relationship with somebody, or if you are by chance in a friends with benefits kind of situation also, there are very high chances that you might get pregnant, or your partner might get pregnant, or there is a high fertile period between you guys. I can see you flirting around, I can see you having hookups also, or I can see you having casual sex also, you can say that. But you have to be very very cautious, because there are very high chances that you might get somebody pregnant, or you are going to get pregnant. So please make sure that you are going to take the contraceptive pills and protection every now and then. Okay, let me clarify the Empress as a potential outcome for you. Eight of Pentacles and the King of Swords and the Eight of Swords. You want to build this connection with your own hands. You just want to build this connection. You would just want to have love in this connection. But I feel like you're trying to hide. You're trying to hide your feelings. You're trying to hide your emotions. You are feeling like, I'm going to cut out all the negative and toxic person from my life. But you are in some kind of mental jail. You are right now in conflict. Right now also you are in conflict, and this is not a very small conflict. This is something really very big. Okay, I can see that. Although you are trying to look good, although you are trying to feel good about yourself, about your looks, about your money and everything around you, but I don't see you getting married to this person and or getting a commitment from this person, because this person is hiding his true feelings from you. He is ready to cut out all the negative things, all the toxicity from this connection with you. And I see this person is in certain kind of mental jail right now. Okay, so they are might be thinking about you obsessively, or they might be thinking about the work part obsessively. But for most of you, I feel like this person is feeling, or this person is having lots of feelings for you, and this person wants to come back and put in the effort and put in the time and energy from their side as well. Okay, so this is what is happening till end of November. Thank you so much for connecting. God bless you. Namaste. Bye.